Okay, what we're going to do is just have a quick look at how we might do the service to schools. So what I've done is created a Google site, and you'll know when you're logged on to Google, and in time you'll all be in the Google domain. One of the Google apps you'll have access to is Sites, and Sites is where you can build a website or something similar. I have made a SOR trial, and it's a site and it looks fantastic, but what the idea of this whole thing was, it could be a place, I think we need one of these for our group anyway, where you might have SOR meetings and keep the minutes and the agendas, etc., etc. And I've shown you two different ways of viewing it here. When it comes up, being very slow, so you can actually see it, or they list as a group of documents. So that's two ways of going about it, and you might have a list of resources. But the real reason that we're here is to have a look at how we can do service to schools and record that service. So I plan to make, if we go this way, which I'm pretty keen, I think it's a good idea, to have the Western, the GV and the Northeast. So you would click on that little arrow to the left there, and you would see all the schools lined up here. And so if I had done some service at Inglewood, I'd click on Inglewood, and I'd go to that page, and on that page is a form, and I just choose my name off the list. There I am. Yes, you have to tick that. I couldn't find a nice easy way of just having it there. So I did some service. I can't type, but that's okay. On the date of the service was today, and I would click submit, and that's all you have to do. So if you went another day, you could do another response straight away. Or you go to Kahuna, or all the schools would be there. I just haven't set them all up yet. So you would do that. It's as simple as it needs to be. So it's just the service. Then to see the service on the overall WD, what it shows is a spreadsheet, and I managed to get all the forms to go to the same spreadsheet, so you can see that little bit of service I just did sitting there. And all the different schools will be listed down the bottom. So if I want to have a look at Kahuna, I just click on that and scroll up, and there would be all the service that we provided. So that's basically the idea of how we could show our service.